You called?
Me? I don't think that I called someone.
Did you or did you not call for a plumber?
Oh, you're the plumber. You know what? I think I have everything under control, okay? Sorry for wasting your time.
Look, buddy.
Steven.
Whatever. I got a call for an emergency plumbing job in a bathroom. Well, I don't just do this job for my health, so where's the problem?
No, really, it's okay. I think I fixed it. There's no problem anymore.
What was that?
Cat? Oh, it's nothing. It's just my cat. He's not feeling well today. Please, don't go in there, please.
If I get dispatched on a call, I at least have to check it out.
Don't take this the wrong way, but is there maybe a male plumber that would come by?
No, sorry. I'm the only one available.
Look, this is a little bit embarrassing, but I'm not comfortable with you going in there.
Trust me, buddy. I've seen it all, okay?
Steven.
Whatever. I'm sure it's not as bad as you think it is.
You have no idea.
Do you have a problem with me being a woman?
Not that you're a woman, but
But what?
you're an attractive woman.
Oh, thank you. That's so sweet of you. But I've got a job to do, so if I could just take a look, okay?
No, please, no. Oh my God. Oh. Sorry.
Holy hell! What in the world?
I warned you. I've warned you a few times. You know what? Forget about the bathroom. Would you like to go out sometime?